Ready to fry or ready to grill it? Mga friends, family, magagawa tayo ng rellenong bangus. In-scrape ko na ang laman nito ng loob. O, tinan mo, wala na itong laman. Ano? O, ilalagay natin diyan pagkaluto. Ito yung laman niya na inalis ko sa loob at inalisin ko na rin ng tinik. Kasi matagal ang mag-alis ng tinik, kaya ginawa ko na yun bago lutuin. Maglalagay ako dito ng onion. Onion at kamatis. Ilalagay ko na rin ang red bell pepper. At hamburger. Two tablespoon of patis. One tablespoon oyster sauce. Salt. Black pepper. At kalahating kaunting garlic salt. Matagal mag-alis ng tinik. Bangus, pagka in-scrape mo ang laman niya, pagkapos ilansun mo ng tinik. Green onions. Beautiful. Meron ako ditong malaking karayom. Tapos may string na ipagtatahi ko sa gilid. Kung wala naman kayong ganito, malaking karayom, pwede na rin natalian ng ganito. Okay, I'm going to take it out from the stove now. here is the fish. That noisy, that stove. I have to unplug it. I'm gonna take it out a little bit of the juice. See what I do? I put it down to come out some of the juice. So it won't be too wet when you put it in your fish. Okay. This is supposed to be cooled off a little bit. If you're not in a hurry, you can put in the fridge before you put it in the fish. But I don't want to do it because it takes long time. Now we're gonna start to take it out all the bones. How much I can put it there. I know this is gonna be more because I put hamburger, tomatoes, and bell pepper. So it's not gonna get in it, all of them. You see it getting it? Yes. You can fry this or you can bake or you can grill it because the inside is already. This is beautiful, isn't it? I have to remove my gloves because this is slippery. This is on the side. Very easy to close it if you have the big needles like this. And this is the relleno. Bangos relleno. So beautiful.